Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn how to create product page on Shopify. So the first thing that we should do is we have to open any of our web browser, and then right here using the search bar at the top, we'll then just have to type out shopify.com and then make sure to log into your account. So now that you're here, next thing that we should do is to make sure that we have here our products. So just go ahead and go to the product section. And when you do that, you'll be able to see here all of your products. Next, just go to the online store and then navigate to themes. And then after that, you'll then just have to click on the customize option. Okay, and then just have to wait for a couple of seconds and you'd be directed to this page. Now, to create a product page on Shopify, all you have to do is to click on the pages at the top center of your screen. Okay, so this one right here, the home page. And when you do that, you just have to click on products. Okay, and then select create template. Okay, so this one below the default products. And then of course, create a template to customize how your content is displayed. So you have to name this template. So I'm just going to name this as custom and then based on default product. Next is click on create template. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and you'd be directed to this page. Now the next thing that we should do is we have to change this one. Okay, so since we want to use another product, all you have to do is to click on change. So this one at the left. And then next is you have to search for the product that you want to use. Okay, so as of the moment, I only have one product for this website because I am using this website as an example. So after selecting or searching for the product that you are going to use, just have to simply click on that product and then click on select. So now that we are done selecting the product that we are going to use, we can now start customizing this product. Okay, so right here, navigate to the left side and let's start with the color scheme. So we are going to edit this one. Here for the background color, we can change this one. So you just have to select the color that you want to use as your background. And then after selecting your color, next thing that we should do is the other settings. Okay, so let me just finalize the color for this one right here. Okay, so after that, just have to simply click on this one. Next is click on the text option. So if you want to change the color of your text, and then the solid button label as well. And then we also have the outline button. After that, just click on the X icon at the top right. So the next one, to edit all your themes colors, go to the color theme settings if you want to. Next one is the desktop media width. So we have small, medium, and large. For this one, I think I am going to use the small one or the medium. Next is if you want to constrain media to screen height, you can check this box. And for the media fit, we can change this to original or fill. Now for the desktop layout, we can select stock, two columns, thumbnails, and more. So it will depends on how many, what is the layout that you are using right here. Next one is the desktop media position. So we have left and right. I'm going to use left for this one. And then here we also have the image zoom. Okay, so I'm just going to use the open light box. Okay, and then after that, for the mobile layout, we have here two columns and more. So you just have to select what you need right here. Next is you can also hide the other variants media after or enable the video looping. Next is you just have to scroll down right here. We also have the settings. So for the theme settings, reveal the sections on the scroll. So we have here the page width. So you can adjust this one as well. Okay, and then for the sale badge color scheme, we can also change this one. So for the background color, I am going to use this one. And then next is for the text. I think I'm going to change the color of the text to black. And for the solid button background as well, I think I'm going to use this color. Okay, so you can also change the color for your solid button label. Then after that, just click on the X icon. So right here for the sold out badge color scheme, so you can also change that. Okay, so once everything is done, okay, now right here we can also customize or change the title or the name of the product that we are selling. But to change that, we have to go back to the product section so that we can change the name of the product. Okay, so for our product information, once we are done, the next thing that we should do is to click on the save button at the top right of our screen. Okay, so let me just check it. So when you go here at the pages at the top, and then go to the home page, and once you're here, you'd be able to see now our changes. So going back here, when you click on the products, okay, and click on the custom. Okay, so it redirected again to this section. Okay, so you must remember that if you want to change the product right here or the displayed product, just have to click on change, and then using the search bar, if you do have lots of products on your website, so you can use the search bar and then select the product that you want to displayed. Then after that, you will then just have to customize that specific product. Okay, so let me just go back to my homepage right here. And then the next thing that we should do now is to customize the product. Okay, so let me just preview this one. So just click on the street that's right here and then click on the view option. Okay, and the next one, when someone visits our site, this is how it's going to look like. And when they click on our product, okay, so they'll be able to see this page. Okay, so now going back to changing or customizing our products, for example, the name of our product, the description of our product. So to do that, you just have to go back right here and then just exit your zone theme. Okay, so let me just go back again to the product section. Okay, and then if you would like to create a new template, then just have to do the same. You just have to put a name for this template and then just click on create a template. Okay, and then just have to change the product that you want to use. Now before we end this video, I'm going to show you again on how we can customize the name of our product, how we can change the quantity of our product, the description as well. So let me just go back to the first page of this site. Okay, so right here we also have the theme settings. So now let us exit the Dawn theme, and then right here just go to the product section and then select your product that you want to customize. And then right here, as you can see, this is a title section, so you can delete the current title and then replace it with the new title, and as well as for the description. And we also have here other details of our product. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.